Welcome to the Investor's Toolkit, essential strategies for thriving in the Kansas City real estate scene. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, Kansas City's real estate market offers a wealth of opportunities for those armed with the right strategies. Today we're diving deep into the tools and tactics that can help you navigate this vibrant market, maximize your returns, and avoid the pitfalls that snag many investors. And when it comes to managing your properties and ensuring your investments work as hard as you do, there's no better partner than Alpine Property Management Kansas City. Let's get started. Understanding the local landscape is your first tool. Kansas City is not just a market, it's a mosaic of micro-markets, each with its own trends, opportunities, and challenges. Successful investors know that what works in one neighborhood might not work in another. Partnering with Alpine Property Management can give you insider access to local knowledge, helping you make informed decisions and spot opportunities that others might miss. Next up, financial acumen. Real estate investing is as much about numbers as it is about properties. From calculating cash flow to understanding tax implications, your ability to crunch the numbers will directly impact your success. Alpine steps in here by providing clear, comprehensive financial reporting, helping you keep track of your investments and make data-driven decisions. Let's talk about the power of leverage. In real estate, your ability to use leverage wisely can amplify your investment power significantly. However, it's a double-edged sword. Misuse it, and you could find yourself in hot water. Alpine Property Management's expertise extends to advising on financing strategies that match your investment goals and risk tolerance, ensuring that you're using leverage to your advantage. Now onto the We Buy Houses program, an essential part of your toolkit when you're looking to sell quickly and reinvest your capital. Whether you're adjusting your portfolio, cashing out for personal reasons, or looking to move on to bigger investments, Alpine Property Management Kansas City offers a streamlined process to buy your properties at fair market values. This flexibility allows you to stay agile in a fast-moving market, seizing new opportunities as they arise. Effective property management is the linchpin of a successful real estate investment strategy. It's not just about finding tenants, it's about finding the right tenants, maintaining your property and navigating the complexities of property laws and regulations. This is where we truly shines, offering comprehensive management services that free you to focus on expanding your portfolio while we take care of the day-to-day. But thriving in the Kansas City real estate market isn't just about having the right tools. It's about continuously sharpening them. The market evolves, and so should your strategies. Staying educated, networking with fellow investors, and keeping abreast of market trends are all critical. Alpine Property Management Kansas City can be a valuable resource in this regard, offering insights and updates that keep you ahead of the curve. As we continue to unpack the Investor's Toolkit for mastering the Kansas City real estate market, it's crucial to delve into additional strategies that empower investors to not just survive, but flourish. Building on our foundational tools, let's explore more nuanced strategies and the pivotal role Alpine Property Management Kansas City plays in transforming these strategies into tangible success stories. Risk management is an indispensable tool in your investor's toolkit. Real estate investing involves various risks, from fluctuating market values to unexpected maintenance issues. Mitigating these risks requires a proactive approach, including thorough market research, diversification of your investment portfolio, and maintaining a cash reserve for unforeseen expenses. Alpine Property Management aids in this endeavor by providing expert market analysis, suggesting diversification strategies, and managing properties efficiently to reduce unexpected costs, ensuring your investments remain stable and profitable over time. Another essential strategy is building strong relationships. Real estate is inherently a people-driven business. From tenants and contractors to real estate agents and fellow investors, the relationships you cultivate can significantly impact your success. Alpine Property Management Kansas City understands the value of these relationships. By ensuring tenant satisfaction, maintaining good relations with service providers, and leveraging our network to benefit our clients, we create a positive ecosystem around your investments that can lead to more opportunities and better outcomes. The importance of staying adaptable cannot be overstressed. The real estate market is dynamic, with economic, legal, and social factors influencing it continuously. Your ability to adapt to these changes, pivot your strategies, and seize emerging opportunities can set you apart from the competition. Alpine Property Management Kansas City plays a crucial role in this process by keeping our clients informed of market trends, regulatory changes, and potential investment opportunities, ensuring you can make timely and informed decisions. Sustainability and ethical investing have also become increasingly important tools in the modern investor's toolkit. Investors are recognizing the value of properties that not only generate financial returns, but also have a positive impact on communities and the environment. We are committed to sustainable practices, from promoting energy-efficient upgrades to implementing environmentally friendly property management practices. By aligning with Alpine, you can ensure your investments contribute to a better future for Kansas City while also appealing to a growing segment of socially conscious tenants and buyers. Lastly, continuous education and professional development are key to maintaining and sharpening your toolkit. The most successful investors are those who never stop learning about the market, about new investment strategies, and about the evolving landscape of property management. Alpine Property Management Kansas City supports this ongoing education through regular updates, insights, and recommendations, helping you stay knowledgeable and competitive. In wrapping up, the path to thriving in the Kansas City real estate scene is multifaceted. Partnering with Alpine equips you with not just the tools, but also the expertise and support necessary to navigate the complexities of real estate investment successfully. Thank you for diving deep into the investor's toolkit with us. If you're poised to take your real estate investments to new heights and navigate the thriving Kansas City market with confidence, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is ready to be your partner every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest insights and strategies in real estate investing. Together, with the right toolkit and Alpine Property Management Kansas City by your side, let's carve out a successful path in the dynamic world of real estate investment. Here's to your success, growth, and the bright future ahead in Kansas City's real estate market.